Alright, so welcome to this video. So now this is where we stop in the last video. So what I will do is in continuation, I will merge everything since I'm done with them. I'll merge them as one and they've become my logo for the work. So I will keep the logo here on top here. So the next thing is that I will add the layout of my design. So what I will start adding is that I will add a background, and the background is the pictures. All the pictures I sent you are the pictures that I have used in this video, so just check them. I'll look for the picture. Mostly if you go to recent you will find it, so I'll put it here. Good, I want everything. I'll increase the size to full screen. Alright, so I have it. I will now lock it because I don't want it to be moved. I'll move this one up. Alright, so I have my logo there. I'll leave the logo there. Alright, let me just do something. I'll go to this background and give it this dark color. Alright, so I'll now tap this thing that I lock and go back to properties and try opacity small. Alright, so I think this is cool. So the next thing I'll do, I'll add my image. I believe I've sent it to you. Alright, so this is the image. Alright, so I'll increase the image a bit, and then now there is something about, pay attention and learn it. This is what I do now. This image is facing this side, and while I want my work and I want the image to be like facing the other side. So what to learn this trick, when you have an image you can actually flip it. So you just tap the crop sorry, forgive me, this country's pressure, I mean the crop. So just tap this arrow here, you see it's flipping up. The one by the left is flipping left right side. So I'll just flip it like this and leave it. So I'll leave the image around somewhere here, and then let me go to the side a bit so that I'll hide that I'm not that fat enough. Alright, so I'll lock it as well, and I'll add another image here. Just follow me, don't get lost. Alright, sorry, I'll come to my download. It's in my download, but your own, since it's recent, you should be able to find it there. I'm trying to ensure that I don't create a very heavy video, so I'll add it. I'll increase the size to be full screen. Alright, I'll just bring it down and I'll now send it to the back, but I'll move it up this layer a bit. Alright, so I have this now. I'll move it down a bit. Okay, so I'll now lock it. I'll lock the logo as well. So this is our work so far. I'll now go to text here. I'll add another text. Let's say L Tech. I'll go to font size here. I will look for high man. I want to climb high. Alright, so I have my high man. I'll increase my high man a bit. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay, I'll just reduce it a bit. Okay, I will duplicate it, although I will change it. So I'll add academy. So I will go to fonts. I think I should leave it. Let me just go to spacing. Add like 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will change the color, but this is what I will do. Instead of assigning color, I will use texture. For my color, I send the picture. I will be sending the pictures. Well, I believe I've sent it. So the picture is a bit down. I'll have to look for it. Alright, so stay with me, don't go far. Alright, so this I will be using this one. So I plan to pick the other one, but let's just use this one. I'll crop it like this. You can be using this 16, it's faster. You can use 16. Alright, so I will activate this thing and then I'll add some shadow. I'll reduce it and activate the outer glow. Alright, I have this for now. Tech Academy. Let me shift this a bit. Okay, so I'll add something, a text again. Services offered, classes. Okay, now let me just use the courses offered. Alright, so I'll go to my fonts. I don't know whether you have the fonts. You should have it, but in case you don't have it, just look for a suitable font. Courses offered. I'll increase it, something like this. Alright, so just follow me. Just trying to make something good. I will add shape next. It's not really full completely, but then just follow me. Alright, so I'll leave it here and then I'll come here at text. Let's say digital market. Okay, let's start with digitally Tracy and alphabetical order. Is the designer is very good to learn how to do things with order. Marketing, graphic design. I'll just add something. PS, which is Photoshop, Aquarel, Adobe Illustrator. And now say smartphone, graphic design. Alright, I think this will go for this flyer. I'll just add them. We'll come to font. How many minutes do I have? 8. So I'll come to font. I'll go for Calibri. It's good to know fonts. You don't need to be suffering yourself. Alright, so I'll go to Calibri. Let me reduce it a bit. Let me just shift this set a bit. Let me shift this one also a bit. Okay, I will extend this. I will deactivate this and allow me move it. I'll leave it on 8. I'll leave it like this, slightly like this. I think it's okay. I'll increase the spacing a bit. I think 5 should do. I'll move it up a bit. Alright, so I actually wanted this to be starting. Increase the size, I think by 240 should do. Alright, so I'll add another shape. Just keep following me. Like I have what I want to do online. I'm just trying to create it right now. So be patient with me. And this should do. No, it's too much. Let me reduce it here. Relative size. I'll reduce 1.5. Alright, so I'll move it down a bit. I'll give it color. I'll give it yellow. Yes, it's called. And this is okay. Matches the logo somehow. No, let me pick a color that match the logo. And this matches the logo. No. I'll give this color as well. Alright, so I will get this text, delete everything. Okay, online reliable, online trusted, online. Again, you see one, oh, one classes also available. Use it. I give the font black. I'm just trying to be fast, quick. I'll reduce it to 23. Shift it a bit. Should have left it capital later, but I don't want to take too much long, so I'll leave it like this. Okay, so I will add text again. And just say width. So I will use another font. The name is Creation. You can actually check it online if it's not part of the ones I sent. So I'll use this like this. I will increase the size. Forgive me. Let me change the color to black. It's black and black. Let me increase the size. Let me increase the padding. Alright, so I'll move it up a bit. Alright, so I'll just add a name. Let's see. Dominic Orange. And now let me give it color. Let me pick red. So like I say, it's just a simple logo for this class. I won't waste too much. I won't add too much information. Don't have too many things on my head. Alright, I'm just giving a simple flyer. So I'll add just okay, I'll add some shape. Alright, I think the video is wow, it's 15 minutes. Don't worry, I will ensure I divide it into 2 or 3 so that it will be easy to download. So I'm looking for an icon that signifies good. Don't be confused. I believe I will send the icons to you as well. I'm looking for something like this. So I'll crop out from here, here, here. I'll say good. I will come to properties, tap it, properties, and come to erase color and activate. Increase it to 15 or 16. Reduce the size of the work. 4 is okay. I'll move it to somewhere like this. Alright, so to have to make things faster, I'll just merge everything and duplicate, and then go to duplicate. So I now have them two. I now move them down. Alright, so we have something like this. Okay. So like I said, okay, I'll add the last, not the last actually. It's just something very important, maybe. Hmm. This video may reach 20 minutes. Alright, so I want to add just, okay, I think I'll use this one. Alright, so I'll crop it. Now the color of an object does not really matter, I can change it here. I just want to make use of the shape. Alright, so as you can see, chat, give me for the wrong word used. So let me just give it white color. This is okay. So I'll add one last thing, another cycle. I'll give it yellow, or whatever the color really is called. I'll give it this color that matches the logo. I'll reduce the size and put it somewhere here. I'll move the layer to below my image. Tap and hold below the image. So I'll just mark everything here and move it up a bit. And this will do. And just move this one a bit, okay. Okay, it's okay, not bad. Not that it's perfect, but for this class I think it's not bad. So I'll just add money is very important. Money is very important. Well, I won't change your ideology if you believe it's the root of all evil. Right, I'm looking for a very convenient font. Right, I'll go with this. I'll move it down a bit. I'll now duplicate this font one more time. Okay. Okay, and give it black. But this color will do. I'm gonna reduce it to like 20. I'll go to styling, bold. Right, I'll just move it. Okay, let me go to style and underline it. Okay, I'll go to my 3K, shift it down a bit. Okay, I think I'll just shift this one a bit. I'll reduce the margin by the spacing. Alright, let's see. I think this should be good to an extent. Okay, I'll just unlock this logo, increase the size a bit. Alright, so I think we'll stop here, and that is it. I'll be expecting your work. So let me just add something. Let me just test myself. Let me open this thing. I'll duplicate it. I'll keep one here, and I'll off the color to use the default color. Let me just use red. Increase the size. It's much more cute. Right, let me just try to see if I can add outline. No, let's leave it here, and I'll now save my work. Alright, and then we are good to go. And then let's look at, ensure you save your work, or let's look at the two things we did today. First, we designed this logo, and then secondly, we created this flyer using this logo. Okay, all good, right? Just